Ink and echoes. It started with a whisper, a paper, a pen, and my tita's voice beside me, steady as the pulse of courage. In that small classroom stage, I learned that stories breathe, that words can win medals, but more than that, they can win hearts. There were late nights, crumpled drafts, ink stained, fingers chasing the right line, the right feeling. She was there, my coach, my guide, my home in every competition. Now, as I near my last chapter in senior high, the deadlines fade, but not the dream. Because once you write, you never stop. The passion stays, like the echo of applause after the final award is given.